Hello children, welcome back to our part 2 video of today's assignment. So as you all know that this is our part 2 video in which we are going to do English language notebook exercise. So for that what you have to do, you have to take out your English language notebook. Okay, first of all I want to tell you that in part 1 video I have explained the whole topic of the pronouns, that is chapter number 11 in English language book, and I have explained you all the important points of the particular chapter in an elaborated manner. So I want you all to watch part 1 video very carefully and very nicely, okay, and then understand each and everything from that video, and then come to this open this part 2 video, and then only you will start doing your exercise, English exercise. Okay, so first of all what you will do, you will watch part 1 video very carefully. Is that clear? Now in part 1 video I have explained you about what is a pronoun, that it is a word which is used in place of a noun. You all know that. And what are first person, what is first person, what is second person, and what is third person. Okay, first person वो होता है जो खुद बोल रहा होता है, जो खुद the person who is speaking. Okay, like I am speaking, I am using the sentence, I am using the word I for myself. Okay, that I am a teacher. So this is what I am telling you all. So that means I is a pronoun, and it is a pronoun of the first person. Okay, then if I say you are a good boy, so that means in the sentence I am using the word you, which is a personal pronoun, and it is a pronoun of second person. Okay, pronoun of the second person. So I am speaking about you, so you will be the second person. And what is third person? I have explained you children that when I am telling you something about the third person, that and using the word pronoun for that third person, that means it is a pronoun of third person. Is that clear? जिसके बारे में हम आपको बताएंगे, that means I am telling you about the third person, so I am using the pronoun of third person. Is that clear? Now I hope you all have understood this very simple part. Now please turn to a fresh new page of your English language notebook. So before starting with our English language work today, I want to show you the previous work which I gave you yesterday to complete in your notebooks. Is that clear? So as you can see, this is the first exercise which we did yesterday on 25th 8 2021. It was the introduction part. Part A is introduction part, in which I have first given you the definition of pronoun with examples, and then I have given you the introduction part of all the first person, second person and third person with examples, as you can see here. Is that clear? Then now today we will start with our new exercise, that is table. First of all we will write this table. Okay, we will on part B what we are going to do, we are going to write the table. Is that clear to you all? So this table will be you all will write this table in your notebooks, so that you can remember that for first person pronoun what all pronouns we use, सेकेंड पर्सन में हम कौन से प्रोनाउन यूज़ करते हैं, और थर्ड पर्सन में हम कौन से प्रोनाउंस यूज़ करते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो दिस टेबल शुड बी रिटन इन योर नोटबुक्स very clearly and nicely, and this table should be learnt by heart to you. Okay, now what you will do, first write down today's date, that is 26 8 2021. Then give the heading chapter number 11, the pronoun. Then in the next line give the heading part B, table of personal pronouns. Okay, so what you will do, first column will be of first person pronoun, second person pronoun and third person pronoun. In all there will be 3 columns. Okay, you will make 3 columns: first person pronouns, second person pronouns and third person pronouns. Okay, so in first person pronouns what all pronouns you will use? I, me, mine, we, us, ours. Okay, so all these pronouns will be used for the first person. Now coming to the second person pronouns, what all pronouns you will use for second person? You, yours, only two. Okay, then third person pronouns में आप कौन से pronouns use करोगे? He, him, his, she, her, hers, it, they, them, theirs. So all these words are pronouns and all these are third person pronouns. Okay, I hope you all have understood. To a new page again for the next exercise which we are going to do today. So that is part C. Write a pronoun that could replace the underlined words in each sentence. Okay, now in this exercise what you have to do, there are some sentences given, 8 sentences given to you. Okay, and all the words, all the sentences have one noun word in it. Okay, so what we have done is we have underlined some nouns in each sentences. Okay, in each sentences we have given one noun which is underlined. So what you have to do, you have to replace that noun with a pronoun. Okay, जो word आपका underline हो रखा है हर sentence में, उसी word को आपको सिर्फ जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड है उसी में आपको वो वर्ड हटा के प्रोनाउन का वर्ड यूज करना है. ओके, और फिर पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना है. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दिस एक्सरसाइज? वेरी गुड. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट डाउन द हेडिंग पार्ट सी. राइट अ प्रोनाउन दैट कुड रिप्लेस द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स इन ईच सेंटेंस. ओके, नंबर 1 इज सारा मेड डिनर फॉर द होल फैमिली. सारा अपनी पूरी फैमिली के लिए डिनर बनाती है. ओके, सो सारा कौन है? शी इज अ गर्ल. सो वर्ड सारा इज अंडरलाइन, दैट मीन्स सारा की जगह हमें कोई प्रोनाउन वर्ड यूज करना है. सो विच प्रोनाउन यू विल यूज? शी. शी मेड डिनर फॉर द होल फैमिली. सो हाउ यू विल राइट? SHE, शी. MADE, made. Dinner, DINNER, dinner. FOR, for. THE, the. HOLE, whole. Family, 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 and full stop. Is that clear to you all? She made dinner for the whole family. And which pronoun you have used in place of Sarah? You have used she. So what you will do? You will make a small cloud around it. Okay, now coming to the next part, next sentence. Mr. Sharma went to the movie with Mrs. Sharma. Now Mr. Sharma went to the movie with Mrs. Sharma is a sentence in which Mrs. Sharma is underlined. So that means what you will write here? Mr. Sharma went to the movie with her. HER, her. Now here in this sentence you can make out that one first person is talking to the second person, speaking to the second person about the third person. So that is why we will use in place of Mrs. Sharma we will use the pronoun her. So what you will write? Mr. Sharma went to the movie with her. HER, her. And what you will do? As you have replaced Mrs. Sharma with her, so you will put you will draw a small cloud around the word her. Okay, now coming to the third part. The house needs a fresh coat of paint. House को एक नया फ्रेश कोट ऑफ पेंट की ज़रूरत है, यानी कि दोबारा से पेंट कराने की ज़रूरत है. सो विच वर्ड इज अंडरलाइंड हियर एज द नाउन? द हाउस. सो व्हेनेवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम थिंग्स, अगर हम किसी चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, देन व्हाट वी विल यूज? इट. ओके, सो in place of the house you will write it needs a fresh coat of paint. What you will write? It need a fresh COAT coat of PAINT paint. So instead of writing the house, you have replaced the word the house with it, so you will draw a cloud around it. Okay, now Joseph loves to sing. So now Joseph is a boy, and the word underlined here is Joseph. So in place of Joseph, what pronoun you will use? You will use he. He loves to sing. He, He, Loves, loves, Tosing, sing. He loves to sing, and you will draw a cloud around the word he. Okay, now fifth sentence, Jennifer and John enjoy listening to Joseph's singing. जेनिफर और जॉन जो दो लोग हैं वो क्या enjoy करते हैं? They enjoy listening to Joseph's singing. जोसेफ की सिंगिंग को सुनना उन्हें बहुत पसंद है. तो जेनिफर एंड जॉन, these two words are nouns and it is underlined also. So in place of Jennifer and John, what you will write? They enjoy listening to Joseph's singing. जब हम दो लोगों की बात करते हैं तो हम क्या लिखते हैं? They, 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 ENJOY, enjoy, LISTENING, listening to Joseph's singing, SINGING, singing. And now in place of Jennifer and John, we have used the pronoun they, so you will draw a cloud around the word they. Okay, now coming to the sixth sentence, the concert will be tomorrow evening. Okay, concert कब है? अगले दिन शाम को, evening में. So in place of concert we will write it will be tomorrow evening. Okay, so the word the concert will be replaced with it, pronoun it. Okay, it will be TOMORROW, tomorrow, EVENING, evening. Is that clear? It will be tomorrow evening. So the word it will be circled around. Okay, you will draw a cloud around the word it. Now next is seventh sentence, Freddie and I will be sitting in the front row. Freddie and I, यानी कि जब हमने यहाँ पे I यूज़ कर लिया तो मैं अपने बारे में बात कर रही हूँ कि मैं और फ्रेडी कहाँ बैठेंगे? फ्रंट रो में. सो फ्रेडी एंड आई विल बी सिटिंग इन द फ्रंट रो. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग फ्रेडी एंड आई, व्हाट विल वी राइट हियर? We will be sitting in the front row. Okay, so we, WEV, WILL, will, BEB, SITTING, sitting in the FRONT, front, ROW, row, front row. Now the word Freddie and I have been replaced with the word with the pronoun we, so we will draw a cloud around we. Okay, we will be sitting in the front row. Now coming to the last sentence, that is the eighth sentence, my sister prepares breakfast for me. मेरी sister breakfast prepare करती है मेरे लिए. So here what we will use? She prepares breakfast for me. What you will write? She in place of my sister. Okay, she prepares BREAK breakfast for 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 me. She prepares breakfast for me. So in place of my sister we have used the pronoun she, so we will draw a cloud around the word she. So that is all for today's exercise, children. I hope you all have understood how you will do this exercise. So please children, it's my humble request to watch this video very carefully and understand how we have to change these words to pronouns, how we will replace the words which are underlined, and which pronoun we will use. So what you will do, you will listen to it carefully and watch it carefully, and then you will try to do this exercise on your own. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood it very nicely. So till my next video, I want you all to complete this exercise in your notebooks, and then tomorrow again we will start with a new exercise in our notebooks. Till then children, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.